Hello, welcome back to Dad English.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you're here today.
I'm Grace.
And I'm Anthony. On Dad English, we help you practice real English conversations.
If you love these lessons, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It helps other students find us.
Thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Today, we're talking about daily habits, what you do every day, every week, your routines.
That's right. Things like morning coffee, work lists, evening TV, weekend cleaning.
You'll hear words like always, usually, often, sometimes, never.
Listen carefully and try repeating after us to practice.
Antony, it's a beautiful morning today, isn't it? The sun is shining bright.
Oh, yes, Grace. Days like this make me feel so happy and energized. Did you walk here to the studio?
Yes, I walked. It was lovely. I listened to pop music the whole way. It's so fun to sing along with. What about you?
I walked too, but I listened to the morning news. Serious habit for a sunny day, right?
That's real dedication. Okay, tell me, what's the very first thing you do when you wake up?
I opened my eyes. No, seriously, after that, I always check my phone for the time and messages. Bad habit?
My doctor says the phone light is bad for your eyes first thing, but I'm guilty too. My good habit is making my bed every single morning. A tidy bed makes the whole room feel tidy and calm.
That's smart. I sometimes make it, but if I'm in a rush, I skip it. Do you?
Yes, I always drink a full glass of water right after waking up. It's healthy and wakes me up gently.
Breakfast time. My habit is simple. Toast with butter and a hot cup of tea every day. So comfortable.
Boring or genius routine? Mine changes. Yogurt with fresh fruit one day, cereal the next. But I always drink coffee. How many cups for you? 2?
3 cups or more. That's a dangerous question, Grace.
Bad habit alert. But I get it. Coffee starts my engine. Do you eat the same breakfast every day?
Almost always. Routine makes mornings easy. Sometimes I add jam. What if you're traveling?
I pack instant coffee packets. Habit dies hard. How do you get to work? What's your travel habit?
I usually walk. My office isn't far. Healthy exercise and free. You?
Bus most days, but Fridays I drive my car for the big supermarket shop after work. Bags are heavy.
Smart weekly habit. At work, I always make a to-do list first thing. Tasks for the day, priorities clear.
So organized. That's very you. Me, I often arrive late to meetings. I always think I have more time.
Classic. Fix it. Arrive 5 minutes early every time. New habit challenge.
I'll try. Another work habit. I check emails first, then plan. After work, my first habit, sit on the sofa for 10 minutes. Do absolutely nothing. Pure bliss.
Sounds perfect. Then you go to the gym, treadmill, running, small weights. Impressive routine.
Yes, 3 times a week. Keeps me fit. You? Is walking to the kitchen your exercise?
Guilty as charged. Dinner habit, I order food about 3 times a week. Quick, but expensive.
Cooking for one gets boring sometimes. I make big batches and eat leftovers 2 days.
Smart. Evening for me, always wash dishes right after eating. I hate a messy kitchen overnight.
Me, dishes in the sink till morning. Terrible habit. Then I watch TV comedies to laugh and relax.
I watch sports, football, basketball, or animal documentaries. So interesting.
Bedtime routine?
Brush teeth always, then read a book 15 minutes. Helps me sleep. No phone in bed.
Good one. I read novels or funny stories too. But sometimes check my phone. Bad light habit. Promise to stop for one night.
deal. Weekends change everything. I sleep late Saturday, 10 or 11 a.m.
Luxury. Me, 8 a.m. even weekends. Habit. Slow coffee, read news, then lunch with friends at the park restaurant.
Sunday for me is cleaning day. Vacuum floors, bathroom scrub, laundry wash. Clean home feels great.
I clean when it's messy, every 2 weeks. Habit of waiting. Sometimes play football with friends. Good exercise.
Everyone has bad habits. Let's confess.
Mine? Bite nails during scary movies or problem thinking. Also, lost 6 sunglasses pairs this year.
Wow, expensive madness. My splurge, daily coffee shop buys, ignoring my home machine.
Habits are tough. To change, start tiny. Want to run? Walk 5 minutes first. Be consistent daily.
Yes, more water, glass by bed mornings. Read more, 1 page nightly. I can do that.
What new habit for you?
Eat fruit daily instead of cookies. Banana with coffee. Call family more, not just texts.
Beautiful. Childhood habits? I always put left shoe on first since boyhood.
Funny. I read book last page first to know the ending. Weird, but mine. Sister sings in car every drive. Fun habit. What about shopping habits? Do you plan or spend freely?
I always make a shopping list. No impulse buys for me. Except chocolate sometimes.
Smart. I usually stick to my list too, but see sale signs and oops, extra cookies in basket.
Classic. Weekly big shop or daily small trips?
Big weekly shop Fridays, car makes it easy. Daily, just milk or bread if needed. You?
Same, but I always check prices, compare brands. Saves money.
Phone habits? How often do you check?
Too much. Every notification buzz, I grab it instantly. Bad habit.
Same problem. I set do not disturb during meals now. Better focus. Social media?
Scroll Instagram before bed. Steals sleep time. YouTube shorts sometimes during lunch.
Guilty. TikTok dances make me laugh, but time disappears. New habit, 30 minutes max daily. Family habits? How often do you call home?
Weekly video call with parents, Sunday evenings. Keeps us close. You?
Daily text good morning, call twice weekly. Friend habits, coffee meetups?
Friday nights, pizza and games with buddies. Tradition. Birthday habit? Always homemade cake.
Sweet. I plan surprise parties, secret planning habit.
Doctor habits, checkups, regular.
Yearly checkup always. Dentist twice. Vitamins daily habit.
You. Skip dentist too long, bad habit. Walk 10,000 steps, target daily. Phone app tracks.
Good goal. I drink herbal tea evenings. Calms nerves. Eye check. Glasses habit.
New glasses yearly, reading habit changed vision. Learning habits, language study, skills.
15 minutes Duolingo daily. Never miss. English podcasts walking. You?
Read news articles every morning, world knowledge habit. Online courses weekends.
Impressive. Journal 3 sentences nightly. What went well? Tomorrow's plan.
Love that. Gratitude and focus helper.
Pet habits? Dog walks regular.
Morning and evening walks, rain or shine. Feed precisely 6 p.m.
Adorable. I water plants every Monday. Green thumb habit. Forgot once. Brown leaves.
Plants have feelings. I change bed sheets weekly. Fresh sleep habit.
Weather habits? Rainy day routines?
Rainy day routine, umbrella always in bag, prepared habit. Winter, hot chocolate nightly.
Cozy. Summer? Iced coffee daily, beach walks weekends.
Snow days, stay in, movies.
Blizzard? Pizza delivery. Snow habit.
Travel habits, pack lists or last minute.
Checklists always. Toothpaste panic avoided. Vacation? Beach books habit.
I forget chargers every trip. Airport habit? Window seat always. Travel journal too. Travel habits? Pack lists or last minute?
Checklists always. Toothpaste panic avoided. Vacation? Beach books habit.
I forget chargers every trip. Airport habit? Window seat always. Travel journal too.
Cooking habits, recipes, or improv?
Pasta carbonara. Measure exactly.
I taste test, spice chaos.
Sunday batch cooking. Freezer savior.
Burnt toast butter rescue.
Leftover fried rice king.
Music habits? Playlists or shuffle?
Morning upbeat pop energy boost.
Car jams, windows down habit.
Spotify wrapped yearly stats ritual.
Podcast commute, true crime addict.
Sleep habits? Early bird or night owl?
10 p.m. bedtime, strict. White noise, rain sounds.
Scroll till 1 a.m. Morning regret.
Weighted blanket, winter hug.
Power nap. 20 minutes max.
Gift habits, early or last minute panic.
Birthday calendar alerts. Never forget.
Christmas wrapping night marathon.
Anniversary dinner reservations yearly.
Thank you notes, handwritten habit.
Review key habit words now.
Habit, automatic, daily behavior.
Always equals 100%. Always lock doors.
Never equals 0%. Never skip breakfast.
Usually equals 80 to 90%. Usually walk to work.
Often means many times. Often call friends.
Sometimes equals occasional. Sometimes eat dessert.
Routine, habits, sequence. Full day covered. Morning, work, evening, weekends.
Your turn. One good habit plus one bad to change.
We read every comment, like and subscribe.
Practice daily. English is a habit.
Bye.
See you next time, Dad English.